of their names. Do we all know their names? Alright, so I will introduce them again, but before I do that, if you have any questions, please just tell any usher around you. If you have any question for any of the speakers, just tell them. Just tell them. But this panel session is just intended to be as interactive as possible. The theme for this event is from beginner to cloud builder, and we just want to bring everybody to that knowledge, how they can actually skill up from knowing nothing about the cloud to actually becoming cloud builders, as the theme suggests. So, please can I have another mic here? And the panel session will just be for just 20 minutes. Alright. Thank you once again to every of our speakers. Thank you once more. I think I should have an introduction. This is Mr. Okele, this is Abalaji Abdurrahman, this is Mr. Enakele Omokewi, this is Shisom Anki. That's Mr. Tolani Akindaya. Alright, so I think this panel session is supposed to be very interactive, so I'll just ask this question. So for Mr. Kelvin is a software engineer. I'll just be starting with him. And for every software engineer out there, how can they build on AWS? How can they build on AWS? Yeah, how can they build on AWS for every software engineer here?
Okay, good everyone. So for every software engineer out there, one way to speak on AWS is one, work with the community, right? For everyone, when I started on campus, right, I never knew about DevOps, I never knew about cloud, but I had the privilege to work with Satellite, right? So he was part of my team building project, and that was the first time I knew about AWS. So to know about AWS, the first thing is to be part of the community, right? Let them talk about it, right? And also be part of the team that is building stuff, because knowing about AWS is not enough, but applying what you do is what matters, right? So by experience, I wasn't able to practice AWS. Why? Because I had a DevOps in my team. But I was able to learn from the experience how to utilize those skills into what I'm doing. Now, trust me now, I work as a full stack developer, more than being a software engineer. I do a bit of EC2 instances, deployment of those services, S3 bucket. I do all that, right? But trust me, I don't necessarily need to know everything. Right? As a software engineer, you don't need to know everything. I'm going to focus on what you do, but at the same time, work with them, get the experience, and you guys will scale as a team, right? And software engineer, it is not a must, how to do it, but if have the knowledge of how to do it. I believe it to guide you more. The software engineer can be a DevOps engineer, it's not possible. You can't replace it, you can't take that role, right? So, have a niche, work with the team, be part of the community like Inventor, like AWS, like Knuckles, right? So these are the communities that introduce AWS to you guys on campus. Thank you.
Can we all clap for Mr. Kelvin? So I think the one thing that stood out from what you said is it's not just enough to know about AWS, but how to actually apply the knowledge you have. It's what really matters. So this next question, I'll just channel it to Mr. Okeme and Mrs. Chiso. So my question is very simple. How did you get into the cloud? And okay, how did you start? And how are you getting into it? Okay, say this first.
Okay, so for me, I started out as a software engineer. Now going into the cloud, I joined a community called Code Africa. It's in that community I attended the first boot camp. Then I was still learning on my own. So within that boot camp, I was get people interested. So I worked on the project and it was interesting. It was an IAC project. We were asked to just write a code to build to the cloud. So for me, that program was more like my start in the cloud. At that point, I was actually working for Tech Expert. Tech Expert is a Microsoft vendor for support. But I was not in their cloud department. I was supporting Microsoft 365 application. So it's after that bootcamp, I applied to go to Azure, which is their cloud platform. And with the whole lesson from bootcamp and also going into cloud entirely, I started growing my career, and to me that was a starting point.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Jason.
Well, for me, it's almost similar to ours. I was a software engineer, and then I got ALS scholarship. You guys know ALS? Yeah, so I got ALS scholarship for cloud computing, cloud development, nano degree. So it was from there I later found out about the AWS Nigeria community. The community was actually what actually helped me to where I am to be very honest. There's a guy called Iwiri. When it comes to AWS in Africa, Iwiri was the first AWS hero in Africa. I saw him in that group. I went to beg him, please come and teach me. Please be my mentor. I don't have time, this one now. I just begged him, and eventually he was able to show me the path. And then in the community, we were just helping each other. So it was just through the nano degree for ALS and through mentorship and community.
Can we all clap for Mr. Okeme? And I think from Mrs. Chisholm and Mr. Okeme's speech, you can also see that there is possibility for every single person here. As you are here, you just came with probably an expectation what is